He's stuck on his head now. There's no card in the camera. Oh my God. You're covered in cat food. There's an easier way, you know that, right? Over there on the plate. Yeah.
Hi, Nelly. So this is a really big thing because Nelly has just recently, in the last couple days, started to come up on the couch and actually sit with us and let us pet her and love on her without us picking her up and kind of just forcing her to sit with us. So this is a big deal. We're really happy about that. Really excited. It's Jay. Hello, Mr. J. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Look, it's Victoria. Come here, Daddy. Hi, pretty boy. Hi. You've probably heard me, if you watch our videos, you've probably heard me go on and on about our lap cats. Lap cat this, lap cat that. Well, it's kind of a goal for me to have lap cats. Before they leave, I would love for them to be lap cats because, hi, a lap cat is the ultimately socialized cat. Come a little closer. Hi. Hi. Kitty kitty coo. Thank you. And they're biting me. They're not really biting me. They're just little love nip. And then you saw Jay. He gives me kisses afterward to let me know he's not mad at me. He's just loving on me and playing with me. If they're hurting me, I don't allow them to bite and hurt. That's not okay. But thank you, sweetheart. He's just loving on me. Come here, Nelly. Hi. Come here. Let's see, what you got on you? This is Outcast. Yeah, he's one of the newer kittens. I see heart. I see heart. Kitty coo. Kitty coo. They're so funny. He's biting his butt. Oh, look, there she is. Nelly. Hey, baby girl. So, as always, thanks for watching, guys. We love you. We thank you for your support. And remember to spay and neuter your own animals because these kittens are definitely adorable and they're cute and they're so much fun and they're just an absolute joy to have around. But not all of the kittens are as lucky as these guys. A lot of kittens don't make it into a foster home. So please spay and neuter your pets. And if you're interested in starting to get foster with your local shelter, hit me up for that too, and I'll let you know what you need to do. He's biting his butt again. Nelly.